Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing an iPhone-style keyboard app. Do it now. Once the app downloads, open it and accept the minimum permissions it asks for: keyboard input and clipboard access, because without them you cannot type or paste. Make sure your device runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and you have at least 200 MB free, otherwise installation may fail. After granting permissions, the app will guide you to enable the keyboard in System Settings. Follow that prompt to continue immediately. Once done installing, open Settings and navigate to Languages and Input to enable the new keyboard. You will see a system warning about input methods. Tap OK and toggle the keyboard on. This lets the app collect typed text for features like suggestions. Next, go to Default Keyboard and pick the iPhone style option you installed. Make sure to test in a text field. If the layout or theme options exist, adjust there so keys, emoji, and haptic feedback match the iPhone look and feel. You finish by customizing and testing the keyboard thoroughly. Open the keyboard app settings to set the iPhone theme, enable one-handed mode, tweak haptic feedback, and turn on autocorrect. Those choices create an authentic feel. Then test typing, swipe input, emoji panel, and clipboard in Messages. If the keyboard doesn't appear or lags, clear the app cache, re-enable the keyboard in System Settings, and if needed, reinstall the app. These steps usually resolve permission or resource conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.